Could your everyday items save your life in an emergency? In today's video, we're unlocking genius survival hacks that turn ordinary household objects into powerful life-saving tools. From transforming a plastic bottle into a water filter to using a shoelace for critical emergencies, these tricks are all about thinking outside the box when it matters most. Whether you're prepping for the unexpected or just love clever solutions, this is one survival guide you don't want to miss. Let's dive in and reveal how the everyday can become extraordinary when survival is on the line. Understanding everyday objects. In this segment, we'll explore how common items like duct tape, plastic bottles, and shoelaces can be transformed into incredibly useful tools. Duct tape, for instance, can serve as a temporary fix for almost anything, while plastic bottles can be repurposed for water storage or even as makeshift fishing gear. Shoelaces, often overlooked, can be used for securing items or even as a tourniquet in emergencies. The versatility of these objects is astounding, and we encourage you to look at your surroundings differently. By recognizing the potential in everyday items, you can be better prepared for unexpected situations. Duct tape, the ultimate survival tool. Duct tape is often hailed as the ultimate survival tool, and for good reason. In emergencies, it can be used to create makeshift bandages for wounds, providing a quick and effective way to stop bleeding. Additionally, duct tape can secure items together, ensuring that your gear stays intact when you need it most. One of its most impressive uses is in building a makeshift shelter. Simply use duct tape to attach branches or tarps, creating a protective space from the elements. Its strength and adaptability make duct tape an invaluable resource in survival scenarios, proving that this simple item can save lives. Plastic bottles, more than just containers. Plastic bottles are incredibly versatile and can be transformed into essential survival tools. One of the most valuable hacks is creating a simple water filter. By layering sand, charcoal, and gravel inside a bottle, you can purify water in emergency situations. Additionally, plastic bottles can be used for signaling. Filling them with bright materials or reflective surfaces can attract attention when needed. They can also serve as flotation devices, helping you stay buoyant in water. By recycling and repurposing plastic bottles, not only do you enhance your survival skills, but you also contribute to sustainability, making a positive impact on the environment. Shoelaces, a hidden lifesaver. Shoelaces may seem like a simple accessory, but they can be invaluable in emergencies. One of their primary uses is tying or securing items together, whether it's bundling gear or fastening a broken strap. In critical situations, shoelaces can also be fashioned into makeshift tourniquets to control bleeding, providing a quick solution when medical help is not immediately available. Their strength and flexibility make them ideal for various applications. We encourage you to always carry extra shoelaces in your emergency kit or backpack. You never know when this hidden lifesaver might come in handy, proving that small items can have a big impact. Combining objects for enhanced solutions. Combining everyday items can lead to powerful and innovative tools that enhance your survival capabilities. For instance, merging duct tape with plastic bottles can create a sturdy water container that's also sealed against leaks. You can also use duct tape to attach a bottle to a stick, transforming it into a makeshift fishing rod. The creativity involved in merging different objects opens up endless possibilities, allowing you to think outside the box. We encourage you to experiment with your own combinations at home. By exploring how various items can work together, you'll discover unique solutions that could prove invaluable in emergencies, real-life applications, and scenarios. In this segment, we'll share inspiring real-life stories where everyday hacks have saved lives. One remarkable case involved a hiker who used duct tape to secure a splint for a broken leg, allowing them to safely reach help. Another story features a family stranded during a storm, who fashioned a makeshift shelter from plastic bottles and duct tape, keeping them dry and warm until rescue arrived. These testimonials highlight the importance of being prepared with everyday items and demonstrate how ingenuity and resourcefulness can make a significant difference in survival situations. Let these stories inspire you to think creatively and stay ready for anything. In today's video, we explored how everyday objects like duct tape, plastic bottles, and shoelaces can be transformed into life-saving tools. We discussed practical hacks such as creating bandages, water filters, and makeshift shelters, emphasizing the importance of thinking creatively in emergencies. Remember, being prepared with these simple items can make a significant difference in critical situations. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who might benefit. Don't forget to explore more survival tips on our channel, where we continue to empower you with the knowledge to stay safe and resourceful in any scenario.